What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Dylan's DIY Workshop. Today we are going to be going to the Conyers house and going to be sanding. So today is just going to be us sanding the deck that we built, and we had to go to Lowe's first, I know, and then to the Conyers house. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Tomorrow I am going to be coming back because I don't have school, thank God. So tomorrow I'll be making a video of all day, and I will be sure to record. So enjoy. Okay, so change of plans. We are going to be sanding. For those of you that don't know what a sander is, it takes sandpaper and it gets off the extra. So basically what it does is you take it along here, a piece of board, and just press down and go like that, kind of make even strokes, and it'll just smooth it out. So that's all we're gonna do today, right, Pep? So yeah. So on this one, for the grinder, we have a flat disc, and basically what it is, it's got a disc and it's sandpapered, and all we're gonna do is just take it along and sand the deck.
No, we're not.
What are we gonna do? I'll just redo it.
No, it's for sanding down the wood flat, and we'll use the regular sander for the putty.
Yeah, we know he does a better job at explaining.
Yeah, that's what we're going to do. So you see how this is all uneven, the boards? So what we're going to do is use our flap disc on a grinder, which is mainly meant for metal, but we're using a wood, and it'll take this right off real fast, so that when we put our decking on top of this, the flower planter, it'll all be smooth and you won't have a wobble. So the wood will, like here, give an example where this is higher at the corner, it should be low like that. As you see, it eats the wood away, so it's all smooth. That's what we want, so everything is smooth. This way is also quicker than using sandpaper. You can use a belt grinder, a belt sander, or a palm sander, but this is a whole lot faster. And to make it perfect, you want this all flat, which we pieced it, and some did, some didn't. So this is the easiest way of doing it. And it'll if you get into a nail, it'll grind those down, so you don't have to worry about where sandpaper eat it up. Now also what we'll use it for is spots like this where I use Bondo to fill in some of the cracks, and it'll smooth this when we paint it. You won't even know there's a crack there when we find it out. Now we use Auto Bondo when we're filling in a big crack, because when it hardens, even when it gets wet and stuff, it won't leave any marks. It's just harder to sand. But a better product. then we'll come back with the palm sander and sand that. Now if you notice how smooth that is now, it feathered it out. Now what we'll do is just come back with our wood putty. Patch our, just to fine tune, fine holes. And then when we sand it one more time lightly, you'll never know there was a crack there or where the wood joined.
I had to run back to the trailer because I left our new air compressor and almost $1,000 saw and $200 stand just sit out here in the middle. I left this open, which is full of all of our stuff, our tools, my tool belt, and soon, as you can see here, there's a screen here, but if you go on top, see, there was a little story. The redneck way to fix that, if you're looking a way to patch or to cover that hole for just a short period of time, grab a garbage bag, any size. We used a gallon yard trash bag for like leaves and stuff, and we put it around, wrapped it around from the outside, wrapped it around here, and then put duct tape all over it so it wouldn't come. It worked for a while, but unfortunately it's either my grandfather took it off or it blew off, but one of the two, because as you can see the screen is kind of coming apart, and secondly the trash bag was not doing well, so I think he took it off because what was happening is the trash bag wasn't doing well. It was when it rained, since we had a lot of raining recently, it was making two puddles, and like it was raining, and it'd sit in here, so it'd be two puddles, so one here and one here, and it'd just drip, and it was dripping straight down onto all of our stuff, which was not good. So it was ruining our stuff, so we are gonna order that soon, the top for that. So right now I'm gonna put the stuff away. I'm gonna grab my other tripod so I can take you off this one and then set you up to watch us, so enjoy. Ooh. I'm only gonna put one lock. That one doesn't need to be done. I'm just gonna put it like that. This one is locked. And this is the 6x6 I was talking about. The 6x6x8. And then we got a 2x4. The 6x6x8 is for right here on the edge. We're gonna put a post there. And then I'll show y'all in the backyard, on the back deck, we have that handrail. Or the rail. This is what that's going to be. It's going to be the same design, same thing. We already, let me see. No, we don't. I was checking if we have pickets over here to show y'all what it would kind of look like. So it'll run through here and then around. So, yeah, these here, found one. This picket, that's pollen. So basically from the inside, it would look like this. Should be one here, and I think, if I'm positive, we are gonna be going 4.5 to 5 inches of a spacing. But I don't know. I'm not positive on that. I think that's what we're going with. So let me get my tripod, my camera gear, and go. So that's all we're gonna be going. Ooh, put that away. Ooh, I'm just gonna throw it under the trailer. Nah, you can't see that. Man, I forgot that one too. I suck at putting stuff away. So yeah, tomorrow the painter is gonna be here, and he's gonna paint the whole house, or as much as we can. Tomorrow, me and my grandfather are gonna be working on electrical, so running electrical through this, going through this, and then we're gonna be doing the electrical for the fountain, which is through here. And yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna record that. I'm gonna record some stuff with it, some like education, just to show y'all how to wire stuff for fun. But if I do record and I go to edit and I see that it's not fun and it's not worth posting, then I'm not. But yeah, that's what we're doing tomorrow, right? Just electrical.
What?
Electrical.
Now we're doing a bunch of other things. We're gonna do electrical. We're gonna do staining. We're gonna do whatever we can do. Finish the front porch.
Alright, so he's working with the grinder, I'm working with the palm sander. Let's start sanding. Well, we fixed it. Lights. Camera. They work. You can see how redneck we are. Yep, that's electrical tape. It's literally just electrical tape. That's literally the only thing that's holding it in. I just noticed my battery's about to die, but yeah, we got it fixed. That's just until we get home, and then we're gonna fix it to where it's how it's supposed to be. So yeah. Alright, well, we got it done. We're done for the day. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm just gonna pack up. So I guess it's time to say that if you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you can be notified every time I upload. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, actually. Peace.